In this tutorial I will show you how to connect your slicer with me, Carmen. In SLICER, go to Printer Setting. Now click on Printer Settings icon. SLICER will open window to add physical printer. For host type, choose Octoprint. Your upload URL address is in your account settings. Go to next.carmen.tech/settings/account, or in menu choose Setting. Your URL address is right here. Paste copied address. For API key, we'll go to Settings and API Tokens. Click on button Add API Token. Name your token and save. Now copy key. You will never see token again. Paste copied key to SLICER and press Test button. Everything is okay, so click on Save button. Place model for printing as usually. After slicing object, you will have upload button in right down corner. Press this button and choose name of file to upload into your workspace gCodes. Now everyone in your workspace could see this file and start print. Within a few minutes, I will generate a preview image for your gCodes.
Hi, it's me, Wojciech. You forgot to give support for the last file. Could you slice it again? I wanna start printing as soon as possible. Thanks. Perfect. I sent it to the printer at office. Thanks.